Hi, in this lecture we are going to see some of the example machine learning applications. One of the simple way is to learn the association between the features and by applying some set of rules. Based on that, some interesting analysis can be done. For example, to find the supermarket chain, basket analysis may be done, which finds the association between products bought by the customers. For example, if a person buy X, typically he may also buy Y, so that we can assume he or she is a potential customer for product Y. Based on this analysis, we can find the cross selling. Here the association rule can be written as P of Y bar X, where Y is a product we would like to condition on X, and X is the product or set of products which we know that the customer has already purchased. For example, P of jam or breads is equal to zero point 0.7 means that 70% of the customer who buy bread will also buy jam. By identifying the 70% of the customers, we can do analysis on the selling rate of jam. Actually, the association rule of the form P of y bar x will be read as probability of y given x. And one more interesting machine learning method is classification. This classification model learns from the given data set or observations, and then it classifies new observation into a number of classes or groups. For example, in credit scoring application, a bank calculates the risk associated with the amount of credit and the information about the customer. Based on the customer's income, savings, collaterals, profession, age, and other attributes, the bank want to classify whether the customer is a low risk customer or high risk customer. This information about the customer makes up the input to the classifier, whose task is to assign the input to one of the two classes. After training with past data, the classification rule learn may be of the form: if income is greater than particular amount and savings is greater than particular amount, then it classifies the person as low risk customer, or otherwise it classifies them as high risk customer. So here this rule, that if statement is the association rule, with the help of which it classifies the uh, customers as either low risk or high risk. Machine learning algorithms can be applied in pattern recognition, face recognition, medical diagnosis, speech recognition, biometrics, knowledge extraction. Also, they can be used in outlier detection. Another kind of machine learning application is regression, where in this kind of problem we will be finding the output in a number instead of classifying them. For example, if you are building a model to predict the price of the car, we will be giving various attributes of the car as input, and y will be the price of the car. In the training data set, both x and y will be present. Based on that, it learns what are the attributes and what is the corresponding price. Finally, when you apply the model for the unknown data set, it could able to predict the price of the car based on the attribute of a car. So this kind of problems comes under regression models. Thank you all for watching the video.